walked through Hong Lim Park to Chinatown. Originally known as Dunman's Green, named after the first superintendent of police Thomas Dunman, in 1876, renamed as Hong Lim Green in honor of Qing Hong Lim, a wealthy Chinese Hokkien businessman and philanthropist who bought and donated the land to the government. Explaining the history of Pickering Street, named after William Alexander Pickering, first protector of Chinese in Singapore, he also established the Office for the Preservation of Virtue. Nankin Street used to be a straight-through road. Tofu Street is a now-defunct road which real name was Upper Chen Chu Street, located at the present site of Fook High Building between Upper Pickering Street and Upper Cross Street. It was famous as the home of the Samsui Women. This is the amount of space the Samsui Women could slept in the quarter. This shop house at Pagoda Street used to be Chang Fat General Service. The regions in Canton Province, China, where the Samsui Women and Magi were from.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.